Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with sample paper 2. Now we have completed section A in the previous class. The section A, it carried 1 mark and there were 4 questions. Now proceeding with section 2, you have question numbers 5 to 10, each carrying 2 marks. So let's get started with the first one. If x is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2, find the value of root x plus 1 upon root x. So how do we find this? What we've been given is the value of x and we need to find the value of x plus root of x plus 1 upon x. Now we already have x, but let's say if we need 1 upon x, because we have 1 upon root x here, we do not have its value. So we will first find the value of 1 upon x and then we'll see how we can solve this problem. So first I'll write given x is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 and you need to find root of x plus 1 upon root x, and I'll say solution. So first of all I have x as 3 minus 2 root 2. So what will 1 upon x, that is the reciprocal, become? If I reciprocate my term on the left hand side, I will have to reciprocate that as well on the right hand side. So this becomes 3 minus 2 root 2. But does this look like a proper number? No, it doesn't. So what we do is we rationalize the denominator. So how does rationalization happen? You multiply and divide this term out here by the same term but with a difference in sign. So rationalizing the denominator, I get the denominator. I get 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 into 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. So I am just multiplying and dividing by the same number on my right hand side. That is the reason I do not need to do anything on my left hand side, because if I cancel this it will give me 1. So instead of 1, see, any term, if you write 2, it means nothing but 2 into 1. If you write 3.5, it means 3.5 into 1, because it's going to render the same output. So just multiplying with this term to rationalize it. So what do I get? I get 1 upon x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 upon a minus b into a plus b. Now a minus b into a plus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So this becomes 3 square minus 2 root 2 the whole square. And here I will write, since a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. Correct? So now this becomes 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 9 minus 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2. So 4 into 2, 8. So this is 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 1, which is nothing but 3 plus 2 root 2. So 1 upon x is 3 plus 2 root 2 and x is 3 minus 2 root 2. But still what we need to find is root of x plus 1 upon x. Now what we can do is we can just take a term x plus 1 upon x and square it. Root of x plus 1 upon root of x, and you just square that term. So let's see what you get. You get root of x the whole square plus 2 into root of x into 1 upon root of x into plus 1 upon root x the whole square. I am using the formula for a plus b the whole square, which is nothing but a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So see the magic now. You get x plus 2, this thing and this thing gets cancelled, 1s are and 1s are, plus 1 upon root x the whole square is 1 upon x. And what do you see is that we already have the value for x and 1 upon x. We can simply substitute the values in this equation out here. So this becomes 3 minus 2 root 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 root 2. So now you have minus 2 root 2 and plus 2 root 2. You can cancel them out easily. When equals are subtracted, the equals are subtracted from equals, the remainders are equal. So here you will be left with root of x plus 1 upon root x the whole square. Now 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is going to be 8. X, root of x plus 1 upon root of x the whole square. But see, what we need is this term inside the bracket without the square. So what are you going to do is you're going to take square roots on both sides. So I'll say square root on both sides. I get root of x plus 1 upon root of x is equal to root of 8. So root of 8 is nothing but 4 into 2. So we already have the square root of 4. 4 is a perfect square, so the square root is going to be 2. And 2 remains inside. But since we are taking square root, it would be plus or minus 2 root 2. So finally your answer is going to be root of x plus 1 upon root of x is equal to plus or minus 2 root 2. Here is the solution. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.